Okay, but yeah, obvious was too came from it. So I guess I'm by. Yeah, sure. Let's check if the stream is on again. Alright, so the stream is on. Alright, so what I was working on. Okay. So what I was about to do. Oh yeah, I was saying the AI is generating the wrong ID for some weird reason. So I need to look into why this is happening. I think what I'm going to do, actually, it's very easy actually. It's actually very easy. I just need to find the test case control and, or maybe it's actually the job. I need to find the job and then before inserting the steps, I need to look through each of them and update the test case ID because the AI can be wrong. So let's do that now. For each steps key, I think I might need a key. Alright, so what we would do is we'd have this um check if the key that we're looking at is equal to the actual let's go here. Then let's try going on checking. Here it is. No. Uh, anyways, so we grab that and we're gonna add it to the job. What we wanna do is pass the test case ID and then we can do if step. Wait a minute. This thing is actually that can't be cool. I think I'd have to do is uh, because it's an array within an array. So I'd have to do this and then set it equal to whatever the test case ID is. And we get, yeah, I can get is S ID. I think I've been passing it to the, here it is. I don't feel like this is not working. Is it shit? What I can do is to say if this is not made a key. I always keeps doing that. It's not equal to this ID. Then I need to date this. Then we can call this See, or so this is a safeguard in case the AI knows. Yeah, let's go connect the differences. All right. What the private field? Where would, oh, wait, I should not have on this here. Say less and what the keywords. Ensure that he's using the correct word. Send it back again. Click the amount of quotas. Okay. I don't know why it failed. Whatever. Alright, so I think that's 180. So let's go back to engine and I'm gonna update this to be 180. So you can run this. Should work. As you can see, it's launching two browsers. Oh, wait, what? I think it did the same thing. This, as you can see, I saw it happening there. Yep, did it again. But why is it not working here? Because I did restart the queue. It should have worked. Mm, it's gonna put one. Is this a queue problem? Nah, it's gonna cut the first one, innit? It's gonna do that again. Okay, I think it's failing. It's failing. It's here. Let's go here. I think it's actually failing. No, reach my quota. But why isn't it closing and browsing? Okay, good. Let's see it. What's happening? Seeing that over and over. Yeah, I guess I tried multiple times. Okay. I want to see if it's saying I should click on the blue or if it stays in base. Mm, it's clicking on login button. I think it's picking up the wrong one. Give me a second. Let me just switch my API key. It won't take 5 minutes. Like 1 second. Let's use this one. Okay, so that's done. Go back now. Alright. So let's close this. See if this is okay. Something. Oh, I think I know something there. So it's seeing some shit fee, bro. Seeing too much requests on time because it's putting all the test cases and putting on the one. Oh man. I can't. I mean, I could delete this. Okay, I'm gonna delete the last one. Not you. I'm gonna delete the last one. Okay. Okay. Go back here. And I'm gonna delete this one. Technically, it shouldn't be, but it's- I think I need to figure out where it's fetching that. I'll get to some check history. Where is it pulling the test case? It's where the test case. Oh, no, it should it be happening? I don't think it should be happening. Get instruct. Get. I don't know why OBS is like this, bro. OBS is freaking annoying. Keeps being, it keeps connecting and disconnecting. I don't know. I just upgraded it because I thought it wanted to be upgraded, but I don't know what's happening. I guess I need to restart my PC or something. Uh, there's actually quite a something I forgot. What was it? What was I using? Wow. Uh, yeah, I'm going to look for the endpoint. So that's meant to do. I hear this. It says get test steps. I'm going to get, so I'm going to put first. So that must prevent scenario where multiple tests are sent to us and then the process that once it's gonna heat. It's gonna clear from the tokens. Phase. Next letter. Just just what the hell is this saying on my state out of quarters? Did I still something deprecated response is 500. It's an internal server error. Uh, wait, it should have been the first one. It should have. Oh, I see. Because I have to reshare. Okay, I think that should fix it. See. Mm. Mm. It says attempt to read. Oh, wait a minute. This is okay. If you were not, changes. Come on, obvious. Behave, man. Missing up my stream. Look. Ah, come on. Where's this going from now? I did fix it, didn't I? Oh, okay. Let's see. I know it's something obvious. It's like doing something there. So I should try to take kind of one for a reason. I should fail. There's no but totally. Ah, did it say that it's good? Why did it just? Ah, that's gonna be a problem. Oh, wait a minute. Is it messy? Instruction. Click read button tree. Anything follow button. Well, this is very kind of. mm, I don't get it. How do I, how do I know if it fails? Ah, I think I can more observation right. But how would I guess I'd have to use the agent to do observation. I think, I think I could use the agent at the observation because if I use the agent at the, sorry, if I use the agent at the observation level, then I will be able to like, so right here, I have observed, but let's see something. So, give me that. Oh, this. I just like your this. Are you fighting, man? You fighting, nigga? Let's observe. Okay. Observe. Observe. Let's see, now. Say it to me. AI is watching every action taking place in the browser, you know? It, it, that's a good. It's gonna do whatever it did before. It's gonna fail. Okay. So it ran tests, but it's not. Wait, I just realized something. It's purely tests from history. Oh my god. I thought that wasn't working. So I thought that was something that I would have to work on, but apparently I don't. I just need to give it more complex prompts. I'm gonna do something right now. It's history. Little, little, wait. Hmm? Want to be able to determine if it's passed or failed. But there's a problem, right? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I still need the agent in the loop. I was trying to not use the agent because it would allow me to use less tokens. Even this is still a lot of tokens, but just to me it's a lot. Maybe it's a little bit, but to me it's a lot. I think I have to use the agent. It's something I need something to determine if It was a pass or pin. And in that regard, I have to use it agent. Because as you can see here, I don't think, let me check. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I was looking at the wrong thing. There's no observe. There's no observe. Uh, this the reason why it's filled. But might actually do a scenario. How would I determine if it failed? Hmm. It didn't have this, and it didn't say, oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. Uh, instead of skipping, right? Instead of skipping, that's why it's not going anywhere. But instead of skipping, I could have, mm, I need the, yeah, success by default is false, right? Hmm. No, by default is true. TRUE, you dummy. Okay, results dot success equals false. So as soon as we hit something, observe an action, and it returns no action, huh? But that's not the best. We, maybe that's not the best way. Should I pass it to the agent? I think that's the best way because it will be able to determine if it failed. The agent will be able to determine if it's a fail, but I need to expose message. Yeah, I need to have a message as well, so I could be able to tell the user right. What was I thinking? Message. Okay. And then by default, issues serve, and then it failed. I think. Let me just look because I have the data structure and the database. I'm trying to figure out what the agent returns. I think there's a message. Yes. I think the agent will return this, or agent return this. I could extract a message from it. Okay, cool. I think I'll be able to extract a message. Yep. Okay. So basically, what would have happened is I need to create a prompt for that. So if it failed, I would say it would pause, but I also need to do something here. Okay, wait, I don't know, but hmm. Um, so she called. Come on, you can do better than that. Okay. Um, so we set that to false. Then we want to do is green. the agent into the loop. And you might be wondering, why would we bring the agent into a loop as well? Yeah, we're gonna ask you a question. But the main reason why we're doing that though is because we want the agent to determine if, if it returns an option, then we can put an option. If it doesn't return an option, and there's an option needed, right? So that's like a safeguard, I guess. Okay. So we need to do const agent. Obviously, I know this is back number. You wanted that. Oh, your code is hard. I'm gonna refactor layout. Delete. I'm gonna refactor layout. Okay. Agent. Agent. Come on, why are you showing that up, bro? Wait, why is this thing 85? Hmm. Okay. Agent. Dot. Execute. I think if I go to stage and I keep pressing the wrong button. Okay. This is a library that's okay, so guys. I think we have agent. I want to set a parameter to give it a system prompt. I mean, I can give it an instruction, but I'll give it an instruction for that specific step. I want to give it is a system, is a prompt to ask, to explain why it's available. I think you could, yeah, okay. So we'd have instruct, instruction, like task, dot description, and void have system, come on, system prompt, servers. Just wanna make sure that you spell everything wrong, right? Just so spell everything. Okay. Uh, UREQE agent. You observe that you would not perform any action on this page. If you find that you couldn't, then in your message response, please tell the user the link is failed. Threefold F code. So, oh yeah, we want to actually do um I'm trying to save this. This is cons Once, still, and then one to the if, if, response that action, um, I think it's probably gonna be actions. And the response to actions, the minute is equal to zero, we do continue, else we do action, uh, the results dot action dot push, then push response dot actions. Uh, we need to do something for this actually, which is setting the message that was sent. Um, so we do results dot I think I was in this too early, so I need to let the agent go first, and then I'll say, actually, it's probably better if I rise in a if come on there, wonder about cool. Okay, message response response dot. I'm confused. I'm probably this is scope and issue. Oh, do I need to do hard? Well, mm, okay, var dot and we do that. This is a test because the agent might return something here, but technically it should not. So let's see what happens now. So it's gonna go through those thing here. See what happens here. So this is where it's actually losing the agent. Hope it doesn't use up all the tokens. As I'm sending to actually goes to the API. Ah, can I revoke this off on fire in land? That's where see where that is. It says 192. I think it's this. Because I have the response to actions. Where's response at? Let me just check this real quick. Um, yeah, because I want to see what the object is actually behind. Because I think there's a, let's copy it and look in this. Yeah, yeah, it's actions. What the hell? Okay. Yeah, okay. I was like, this must be a case where I spelled it wrong. Apparently, it's not. Uh, I don't like the part here. It's like, it's just because I used it here. I wasn't much. It's there now. It's there now. I don't know what that was. Just, I don't think it should. I don't know the difference between those things. You know that this is a big scope. So, come on, you can do it. Should have done it already. Why you failing? What tokens again, guys? Let's get another token, right? Let's get some more tokens. Give me a second. Give me like 20 years. Mm. Yeah, you guys are messing with me. Offer to leak the drop pot of tokens, right? Let's close this. Okay. Can't leak the secret method. Wow. Okay. That's that. That's them. Just trying to use a different one. Hope it doesn't turn out a lot of tokens. Okay. 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 Come on. Please work. What is this thing talking about? What is it? Ah, man. Did it? Maybe the response doesn't have an action. But I do have. Where is it? I have this. It says one line of tool. And I have this. Ah. And it's wasted my tokens, bro. Please don't waste my tokens again. Please. I don't have that much. Nice. There it is. Why is saying no issues observed? Clearly there's an issue observed. I hate this. Um, oh, I wanna kill this thing. Because why is it not return a token? I mean, why did it not update this? Should have clears the results of message here. Say equal to response to message here. I wonder if it skipped over this. Oh, this or response action is equal to undefined. Oh, wait, response to action undefined. No, I don't know if you can do that. All right, see, CLS and sum of the test because it did say no actionable button or some other. I was reading the prompts. All right, so I think it should hit the mode here. Okay, it failed. Did it fail? What did it say? It says message undefined. What the? Hell? Uh, let me also that log this response. Response, please. I should have done this a long time ago, actually. I don't know why it's doing that. I mean, I'm going to love that up because gonna make it hard to find it in the terminal. Okay, let's please don't run out of tokens. One, run out of tokens only. Okay, Okay, how the fuck am I back where it is? Oh shit. Okay, so here it is. It's an instruction quickly button. Okay. Elements is okay. So don't that's something into the other thing. Um, all right. It's not okay. All right here. Gonna do reverse. Oh, response send and agent. Onto the something so it's like is a bit of agent going to a screenshot. Read more. Right. Step finish error executing agent task cannot hear packages up reading wait active page. No, right. That's not even my fault. I know I'm off the tokens again. Pressures of one. Extra no people. No what the fuck. Yeah, no, they done so. It's me. It's probably lost because I can never leave sync doesn't work. I just do it. Oh man. I thought I had a great mood today. Just there and I can turn on the whole again. Please work. Please tell me these opinion. I need you to log. Says you're executing agent tasks. Can you report something await activity? Hmm. 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 I have a feeling I know why this is on. Mostly, I think it might be because there's an active page in this specific. So maybe I have to use the browser context. I'm gonna try fully. I have to use browser context since it would have stage as context. Might feel. I think the context switched because please don't tell me that you're gonna feel. I think. Okay, here's what I think it's a case where um it's failing because I set up a stage and um CDP or whatever that is, but there's not like how do I explain? Hmm. There's really no active page per se Or it doesn't have to stay down content. I don't know, but it should have because these other tools work. So I don't get why that doesn't work. It's kind of it's weird. Like I know a wait active page. Wait active. uh, I just click here. Active page. Stage. It'll. I'll see if anyone else experiences the same. This is this is in February. Probably close. Oh, why does stage and his? Music hundreds. Items. Create a new page tab in the browser. Mm, Context the active page. The most currently used page are. Oh, I think I know why it's happening. Oh man, I think because this is opening in two browsers. So I need to fix that first. Yeah, I think when you do new stage on, man, I don't know. I don't know how to fix it. Man, staging is a pain. Save on video for it. Staging is a huge pain. I think this is what proper, yeah. And it said it closed, right? I think someone already commented today. You guys have actually filled it. This is what the PR said. Let me just go to the example. So the example that they had is that they would pass stage and connect URL to this, but there's an issue with this approach, right? There's actually, hmm, hmm, hmm. No, there's an issue with this approach because the reason why there's a issue with this approach is because they, yeah, there's an issue with this approach because when this thing creates two different browser sessions, right? When I try to use Tejan because I want to record the video and then wait, wait a minute. Maybe it's actually me, innit? It's probably actually me. I'm gonna look at the code. Look at the code. Okay, so we run the test. Would it be because I called Tejan then? Did I put it? Because if I look at the code here, I'm not seeing the Tejan's pause, so I'm not sure if it's initially lazy. Yeah, he's initializing it and then it's passing Tejan to. Okay. But the thing with that, wouldn't it create? But then here we have create new context. So should have, did I have that? Check. I think I should have it because I have to have it. That makes sense. Yeah, I do open, create a new connect context, and I return a new page, and then I get the new page. What I do when I get the new page, well, I get the context, get the browser context that the page belongs to, and then I get the pages. Why is it opening through the browser? Yeah, this is where I use AI. It probably can make an educated guess. I could let just let me just get anti-gravity. Okay, okay, it's actually there. Actually, I was looking at it before. Okay, let me talk to it. Let me talk. Okay, so okay, my thoughts. Okay, I realized that whenever I initialize a browser, or whenever I'm running a test using the run test method, it's opening two different tabs. Basically, I have two different browser sessions, or two different browsers. I'm not sure exactly why it is. I suspect that it has something to do with stage and having its own context initialized, open already, and then, but I don't understand why it is because I create a new context which should basically have only one browser. So I'm not sure why it is like that. And maybe it's because uh, I'm confusing this. Wait, what? Is it not? This is gonna sound weird this time. What it understands what I said. I think it's because I have a theory. Let me just check it right. I think it's this right here. Um, I'm gonna, I think it's right here. Wait, I just went to the same freaking function. Yeah, I think it's because I'm creating a new page and then I'm getting page zero. I think I'm gonna test that theory. So let's just pass the context marker, the newly created context. And then I think that's actually easy. See, let's come on. Let's account and see what anti-gravity comes up with. I just start looking, see what he will say, see what he's saying. I found maybe we can run this. I mean, it's okay. Considering file access issues. Don't. What are you doing? Come on, is this get content? Okay. If you want to go there, go ahead. Otherwise, you're not looking. I think it's reading through the source code. I mean, I did some that other thing. Just trying to understand the source code of the. I think it was pretty cool, actually. It's still working. Still can hear what you're saying. Expected outputs, I'm not fine. Well, let me read, bro. Okay, can't find it. Wait, what the? Why scroll down? No debug. Yeah. Why are you doing all of these things? I tried to inspect definition, but comparisons. I'm not proceeding just for again and with a culprit of there's an imbalance without the return of open which has existing page. The able of that clicks. Example that clicks. Is it deed of clicks? Hmm. Okay. No taking way too long. Could have tried my theory already. Market. So just minute. One browser session should open. Am I correct? I'm not wrong. All right. Right. I'm wrong. It's saying the context is not a function. You see, it's weird because what is this context returning? Do I create a new page? Yeah. Oh, do I create a new page here? New page. And it's a new page. Context. But what does it return? Okay, it returns a page. Let's try that. So this is where I will create a new page. Well, let's still over something. See, it's still plenty things. I wanted to be doing that. Oh man, keep doing that. It's a new CDP session. And then page equal page dot. Oh man, let's see what it returns. It returns a CDP session or only separated from a base browser target or new session. First compared to pivot. Parameter is new page, but can be a page or frame. Alright, let's see if this is built in. Let's accept anti-gravity, whatever. And what anti-gravity is doing. I mean, as long as it's one rows, but then that's what's working there. Uh, you, what is this thing doing? After creating the new browser context, such as actually promises of an page, then rename this browser context. Like returns new page, retrieve the page and context. Specifically, assign state on that page to this new page. Specifically, assign context to this new context. Really? I would have not guessed that. See if that actually works. Oh, yeah, yeah.